I'm Keith at Ken Ganley Kia, and today I'm going to go over a certified pre-owned inspection on this Telluride. When we perform a certified used car inspection, we cover many of the same things that are part of our everyday multi-point inspection, like suspension, brakes, tires, and lights, so that we ensure your peace of mind and the safety of your family when you climb into your certified pre-owned Kia. We check the basics, like the engine and cabin air filters, belts and hoses, and tire pressure. We also dive deeper into making sure all of the key convenience and safety features, like the advanced driver awareness system, seat belts, and the interior lighting that you rely upon, are functioning properly so you don't have to second guess. We check to make sure all steering and suspension components are in factory condition. We check brake pads, rotors, and caliper operation, ensuring the safety of you and your family on all of your various adventures. We even check the little things, like do the windows go up and down? Does a 12-volt outlet function? Because believe me, we know the importance of making sure your devices are charging on those long road trips, especially with kids. We also check to make sure that the air conditioning is blowing that comfortable ice-cold air where the temps outside feel like traveling through the Sahara. And we make sure the seatbelts function to protect your loved ones on all of your daily commutes. Lastly, we even road test the vehicle to make sure the vehicle's performance is up to factory standard. If I wouldn't put my family in it, why would I expect you to? Stop in and check out our certified pre-owned inventory today at 7870 Market Street in Boardman.
Because we want to see ya in a Ken Ganley Kia. Talk soon.